People, it don't happen again. No, no be small thing. No, kata don't enter APC and PDP. Oh, my people, no be small wahala. Na he can't do. I know say Oga Jagaban. He can't go just to my people. As he reach there, he can't give a speech. He thief many speech when all those Oyibo people they talk. They will say thank you, may God bless you, my citizen. God bless this country. Now so he can't talk. He oh no, I say they talk. You don't know the time when he come mention say may God bless PDP, PD. APC, my people, not be small thing. As I dey talk to una now, not be small saga na dey grant. Everywhere don't scatter. I know say most of una know this man, Dino Melaye. He come bust come out. He come drag Oga Jagaban. Not be small thing, my people. Most of una when don't know this man. The man when the tag say they be Bleacher United. He with the man when they support my people. Not be small thing. He can drag a Tulubu. He can say Tulubu. Say wahala don't they kata don't they. Even the step when Tulubu for the counter. Say Tulubu they stagger. Say they fall they go. My people may not come be say I too talk. Make una listen to Dino Melaye. Where you for the mock Tulubu.
Now wow, now wow. Hey, I see something for Josh today. Oh, Baba can't they read in speech. Oh, Baba being a kaka Tinubu. He can't they read speech. If the man don't read speech, NEPA will won't carry light. The man will won't go off. When the man go off, they will come use musical interlude. Take cover up that NEPA will carry light because the man will just veer off. Then they will come bring musical interlude. Take do like say they play music to just do the adjustment. When they finish the adjustment, then the shadow candidate, Honorable Faleke, shadow candidate, he will come whisper, remind Oga, he will come remind Baba wetin Baba supposed to stop. Tinubu will come back again. Then when he come back, he will come. He will come remember what to talk. He will come talk. Then when he talk, they will continue. But one thing where I see today be say, throughout when the man they talk for that just, the man they on low battery, the man they on low energy, complete low energy. Now the man they take talk. When he first waka to go this stage, the Baba wan lule 2 times Baba stagger wan lule but we thank God, sha. Make I no lie, my brother. Make I no lie. Baba Ugbadun. Baba Ugbadun. Baba no well. Mba lafia. Mba lafia. The Almighty God will heal you. The Almighty God will touch you. But honestly speaking, man, Baba cannot do this thing, no. Wallahi. Bete yaba. Ozugo, please. Kakatinobu. Ozugo. You don't do. You don't do. Baba is on low battery. Baba is on low energy. Baba no fit do this thing. Baba needs to just go and settle down and take care of himself, honestly speaking. Now, wow, so Baba the thing can reach one level. Baba can they pray for PDP. Can they say, may God bless PDP. May God bless PDP. No. Baba fe lule o. Oku die by Baba fe lule. Honestly speaking. Baba man say by shadow candidate. Mawa Baba leti. Awa magbe see Baba leti. And this is when I told someone kana Baba. No way. PDP Atiku.
God bless Nigeria. God bless Nigeria. God bless PD, APC. God bless APC.